Kakasal na kayo ngayon. Dati tukso-tukso lang. Anyway, congrats and best wishes. I wish you to have a very happy and blessed marriage. Anyway, I miss you guys. Bye-bye! Congrats ulit!
Hi everyone! Kumusta na? Anyway, to Jaja and Randy, I'm sending you this wedding video. It may not be a big production. I'm not that artistic, but it's filled with much love and wedding wishes on your wedding day. I wish you both, o diba, parang Kiyomi. I wish you both a lifetime of love, blessings, and happiness. Jaja, I may not be there, but you and the rest of the Cambridge peeps are always in my heart. I love you all, guys. I miss you. Happy married life. God bless everyone. Bye. Mwah.
Hi guys, to you Jaja and Randy, congratulations. I'm so happy nung nalaman ko na ikakasal na kayo. And I know happy din talaga ang mga Diyosa ng Cambridge Peeps. Hindi man kami nandyan lahat para i-witness ang pag-iisang dibdib ninyo. Pero sobrang happy talaga kami kasi ang isa sa mga basya ng grupo ay nahanap niya ang popoy ng buhay niya, ang taong magmamahal sa kanya ng walang pag-aalinlangan, ang taong magtatanggol sa kanya, proprotekta, especially ngayon, may baby na kayo at magkakaroon na ng bagong miyembro ang Cambridge Peeps. Sana someday magkikita-kita tayong lahat. But anyway, enjoy the day and best wishes. Basta pray lang lagi. Magiging okay ang lahat. Bye!
Hi, Yeki and Randy. Tama ba yung pangalan ng jowa ni Yeki? No, just wanna say na congratulations to both of you. I missed the event. Hindi ako makapag-video message kasi lasing ang show ni Inday Sheena. Ano pa masasabihin ko? All the best and hope to see you guys sa pagbalik ko. Enjoy and inuman na yan, i-shot na. Bye-bye!
This way, your job's a joke, you broke.